Alex here, AMRC, and look what I got. The E-flite Micro B-2 Spirit twin 30mm EDF. Wow, I've been waiting for this one for quite some time. I haven't been excited about an airplane for a long time. So let's open the box and see what's inside. It's the front of the box. The side's not that interesting. And the back. It comes with landing gear, or you can hand launch. Man, just look at that silhouette. 853mm wingspan. It's 217 grams, so that officially makes it not a UMX. Because with the battery, it's going to be heavier than the 250 gram limit. Well guys, I messed up. I forgot to press record while taking it out of the box, but doesn't matter, it's out. One thing I noticed, it comes covered with this film, and mine was stuck to the plane, to the paint, and these decals. Fortunately, they're intact, but it was a hot day, maybe that's the reason, but after that, no longer sticky. But make sure when you're removing this foil off yours to not damage these decals. Pull it off slowly. So this is what it looks like. It's huge for almost UMX plane. It comes with plastic covering the wingtips, leading edge all the way up to the nose. Also, these intakes are plastic. 6-blade EDFs. You can see them in there. IC2 connection. I won't use this. My batteries, 850 3Ss, all have XT30s, so I'll be switching to that. But I ordered an adapter. It should probably get here tomorrow. So I can just test it out before I change this plug, just to make sure everything works. On the underside, there's a plastic piece here, great for belly landing. There's also these plastic pieces here. They also provide access to the EDFs if you need to change them. Landing gear holder here is plastic covers for the servos, so yeah, it should be pretty durable. But I don't know, I really don't want to mess up this paint. It looks great. Servos, so this one's stuck a little bit. Yeah, the decals look pretty decent, except these ones on the wingtip, if you look at them really close. But from afar, yeah, they look okay, and you won't even notice them in the air. The canopy comes separate here. You can see it's EPO foam compared to the EPS most UMXs are made of. Has a magnet here in the front, two in the back. So it just laps on like this. You have this little hole to pop it off. These magnets don't seem very strong, but they should hold it enough. Yeah, it just looks great. I love the shape of this. I tell you, when I saw the video announcing this, I was excited for the first time in a long time about a new airplane. And just look at this shape. It looks like a hawk. Wow, that's impressive. Yeah, heavy plane. And what else do you get? I already took them out and spread them around here. Of course, you get the manual. There's not a lot of information here, but I'll try and do a setup video, because I did one for the UMX Consendo and that proved to be fairly popular. Actually, I think it's my most viewed video so far. Okay, so you get this clear fin that goes here, and from what I've heard, it's recommended you use it, especially if want to get a little aerobatic with it. It's clear. You won't be able to see it in the air probably. And I do have some ideas. Maybe I can make this thing light up a bit for maybe not night flying, but you know, sunset, low light conditions. And who knows, maybe I am getting ideas. Add some sort of lights to it. I don't know if real one has all the lights because, you know, it's supposed to be stealthy. And these go like so. Landing gear doors. I think these should also help in flight with stability. Probably, I don't know if exclusively, I might try to hand launch it once, see how it does without gear. Oh, these slide in real easy. And really nice detail on this, but watch out, mine are a bit sticky. Don't want to get these stuck on your fingers. Okay, and the landing gear, it's nice, even the main gears have springs. These wires are thick. You can tell they're a lot thicker than on UMX planes. You should just slide in here. Okay, that's secure. This is the other one. This hook part should be facing outwards toward the wingtip. Yeah, that's real easy. And the nose one. See, it also has this piece that comes separate. I already clipped it on, but apparently you have to put this in here. Again, this one's a bit trickier, but yeah, it's on. And then you snap this on. Is that it? Okay, I won't mess around with it too much now. I don't want to break it. Whew, yeah, that's about it. It looks fantastic, I'll tell you. Let me get this box off. Okay, let's take a better look at it. It does look fantastic. I love this. I hope it flies just as good as it looks. And I want to do a quick comparison to similar E-flite planes. First one is the UMX A10. It sort of shares the power system. This is also twin 30mm EDF, but it's a lot lighter and it is a bit smaller. Of course, it's longer, but the wingspan is a lot shorter. And I do like seeing these size comparisons, so I hope it helps you guys. And another one, yeah, as I said, this is EPS, so it should be more rigid, but it's not as durable, not as impact resistant. What is also EPO is the UMX Ultrix, and you can probably tell this has been through a bunch of crashes. I like flying this in high alpha, and that also leads to stalling lots of times, so it's been crashed a lot, but still held its shape. A bit of dirt and some scuffs. It's in one piece, and this is clearly smaller. So yeah, really excited to fly this thing. As I said, I'll try to do a setup video, show you how you can set it up to your Spectrum radio, CG, or anything else. If you have any ideas, suggestions, what do you like to see, let me know. And hopefully test flight soon. It does look like a fantastic airplane. I know there's others out there. There's that big three-wing one. I would probably never own one of those. It's expensive. I know this is not cheap either, but I hope it's worth it. I like the size. You can keep it in the box, easy to store, easy to carry around. Just fits perfectly flat in my trunk. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.